Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Nandito na naman po. Kilala nyo yan, kilala nyo yan. Ano, kilala nyo yan? Kilala nyo rin yan. Nagluluto. Kilala nyo rin yan nakahiga. Hi guys, nandito tayo. Sana all. Ayun guys, oh. Hi guys, ayun yung pinanonood.
So, it's a formal party and that's why I need to buy a dress.
Ayun na guys. Tapos